Understanding Check Your Luggage, English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you'll hear, especially when traveling. Check your luggage. Understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful, so let's unpack its meaning together. Check your luggage refers to the process of handing over your bags or suitcases to an airline at the airport before your flight. When you check your luggage, you're entrusting it to the airline's care. They will transport it in the cargo area of the plane, and you'll reclaim it at your destination. This is different from carry-on luggage, which you keep with you during the flight. When you arrive at the airport, you'll find designated counters for luggage check-in. Here, airline staff weigh your bags, tag them, and give you a receipt. It's important to arrive early as there might be queues. Also, remember that each airline has its own rules regarding the weight and size of checked luggage. Exceeding these limits can result in extra fees. It's crucial to ensure that your luggage is properly locked and tagged with your information. This includes your name, contact number, and destination address. Proper tagging helps in locating your luggage in case it gets misplaced. Also, be aware of prohibited items in checked luggage, like flammable liquids or certain electronic devices. Beyond airports, check your luggage can be used in other travel contexts, like at hotels or on cruise ships. It generally means to leave your bags with someone responsible while you are elsewhere. This phrase can also be used metaphorically, suggesting to leave your problems or worries behind before entering a new situation. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, check your luggage, better and use it confidently in your travels. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the little details. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.